Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, gonna show you some cool styles for girls, for a pig, and a penguin, right? Yeah. So this is where I make videos. Places I don't know, I just made it. This is where I get set up. Okay. So one style is to get a rare bow and arrow. And then you get the bunny here. You get the bunny hat that looks like that. Super cute. And you can also do this right here, which is also cool. Got that. And that. You can do that. It's really cool. Don't have any tails. You can do this, or you can do nothing. It's super cool. It's just 3 items. I don't think it's gonna be that much. So here's one style. And we're gonna do a superhero one. Like a star cape or a bear and arrow. I'm gonna put these on. Of course, the clothes. And this represents that you're dark. So, Batman. Got this style, which is super cute. You got the cat ears and you got the claws. It's a cat and with a bow and arrow. Cute. You can run for president. Now we're gonna go on to the penguin. So actually this is my style. I use it, so I got bow, got the claws, of course, and the bow and arrow, got the bunny ears. And let me see if I can find another style. You got this one with the rare bracelet. Got the freedom flower. You can do the normal one too, and got the heart locket, and of course the heart book bag. And I'm gonna keep on showing you things like, oh, you're gonna love this, but this is the last one. If you're a penguin, that doesn't mean that you can be another animal. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye!